In this video, I'll show you how to add countdown timer in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you are in the Edit tab of DaVinci Resolve. To add a countdown timer, first go to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, click the Effects button at the top left of your screen. Inside the Effects panel, go to the Titles section. Find the Text plus title and drag it onto the video track above your main clip. Now open the Inspector panel. If it's not visible, click the Inspector button at the top right. In the Text Plus settings, go to the text box. Right-click inside the text box and choose Timecode. This will turn the text into a timer that shows the current video time. If you only want to keep seconds or minutes, scroll down in the inspector and adjust the write-on sliders. This will hide the other parts of the timecode. When you play the video, you'll notice the timer goes up. But we want it to count down. To fix this, right-click on the text layer and select New Compound Clip. Click Create. Now right-click that new compound clip and select Change Clip Speed. In the speed settings, check the box for reverse speed, then click Change. Now if you play your video, the timer will count down instead of up.